Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today there are updates, and I just logged on, so yeah. Okay, monkeys, I thought they already had these, maybe they aren't bringing them back. So yeah, have you seen the adorable pet monkeys that have come to Jam? These awesome pets love to have fun and are waiting to be adopted in the diamond shop. So yeah, that's really cute. It's been really laggy though. I got 26 gemograms. I'm just gonna refresh. Hold on, I'm gonna pause this while I can sort this out. My computer's being really weird lately. I'm back. What? What? Oh my god, what? 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 Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. This is... Oh my. Not even. Who the heck is this? This is a possibility, isn't it? Hi, new jammer. Her new... No! I can't... Oh my. Yeah! This is great. I don't know what I did to this person, but like, what the heck? What? Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, what? Oh my. But why possibility? Why would you give me this necklace? Sonoma got took by possibility. Why? 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 And I'm never being your friend. Like, what? I don't. Okay, I'm just going to continue my video, and by the way, if anyone wants to hack me, then feel free to, because I put all my rare stuff on storage, which I'm not telling anyone, so yeah, you can all just, yeah, not care. See? I can show you proof, if this would load. See? There's nothing rare on here. So, yeah. And by the way, possibility, I don't know. I'll have to sort this out later. Anyway, I'm not gonna ruin this video. Including spot on the fun new game where you try to spot animals in pictures as quickly as you can. Okay, well, I can play this in this video, I guess. The rumors are true. I knew it! I knew they were coming back. I'll let you watch this, I guess. Turn on the volume. That was cute. But that's cool that they're coming back. Okay, well, they just made it. Yeah. When weather gets colder. Ooh, they made the fall season thing, didn't they? Ooh, I like this one. I like the winter one the best, though. Oh, I need to turn this volume down. Okay, there we go. Is there like any new items or something? I'm trying to just make this video as normal as I can. See, I have no betas because I put them away. Okay, well then let's go play this new game. Oh, I would also like to mention they took out the. Well, I'll show you in a second after I play this. Okay. I don't know how you do this. But yeah. Category. Sure. How the heck? Okay. What the heck? Okay, pretty much that's it. I don't really want to do that. I'm gonna suck at it. Yeah, as I was saying, they also took out the diamond shop spikes. I actually saw this from an Instagram post, actually. I'm like, wait, wow, I can't believe that. Like, these kind of spikes, like, people really like these sort of spikes and stuff. Oh my god. I really wish I could have got some. I love them. Anyways, well, I guess. Let's forget the eye there. I guess you took my friend. I don't. And yeah, one thing I would like to ask you, by the way, like, I had a purple long. Why don't you have that? Did you give it to your friend that helped or something? Anyway. But yeah, feel free to hack me because you'll never be able to get my account, and you can screw around with my friends all you want, but they're never gonna quit, so yeah, so it's really not worth it for you. I'm just kind of shocked that, like, you go through all of, I don't, anyway, I'm not even gonna go over it in this video, anyway. But yeah, there's nothing around this account, so, yeah, I guess, thank you for watching, and I guess, remember to like, comment, subscribe, see you next time, bye.